How can you identify electrical wires? Microphone answer. To identify electrical wires correctly, we need to look at three main things: color coding, markings, and wire size. First, let's talk about color coding. In most countries, the color of a wire tells us its purpose. For example, the black or red wire is usually the live wire, meaning it carries current from the source. The blue or white wire is normally the neutral wire, which completes the circuit back to the source. The green or yellow-green wire is the earth or ground wire, which is used for safety to prevent electric shock. But remember, color codes can sometimes differ depending on the country, so it's always good to confirm with local wiring standards. Second, wires often have markings or labels printed on them. These markings can tell us the type of insulation, the voltage rating, and the size of the wire. For example, you might see something like 2.5 mm superscript 2 or 12 AWG. This tells us the current carrying capacity of the wire. Third, the size or thickness of the wire itself is another way to identify it. Thicker wires are generally used for high-power appliances or main circuits, while thinner wires are used for lighting or control circuits. Apart from these, sometimes we also identify wires based on their position in the circuit. For example, the wire going to the earth terminal of a socket is definitely the ground wire. Warning, but one of the most important points is safety. Never touch a wire just by guessing its color. Always turn off the power supply before checking, and use proper tools like a tester screwdriver or a digital multimeter to confirm whether a wire is live, neutral, or ground. So in short, electrical wires can be identified by color, markings, thickness, and their position in the circuit, and always verified safely with testing tools.